Hey y'all, hey, so I'm going to be showing y'all how I made my Rhinestone hat for Beyonce's tour. It came out so cute. Everything you need will be in the comments, and I got everything off of Amazon except the hot glue gun. Okay, so first things first, there's a trim on the hat. Take that off. Next, you're gonna want to pre-measure how much you'll need of the rhinestones to go around the hat. You're gonna want something to set the hat on so that the hat doesn't touch the table. It makes it easy. Glue gun heat up, and then just start gluing around the edges. Hold it. Don't put the hot glue very close to the edge. When you push the gems down, it's gonna spread out. Give it a little room. If you end up getting hot glue on like parts of the hat you don't want it, it's okay. As soon as it dries, you can pick it off. I'd say with prepping the stones and making the whole hat, it took me like 45 minutes to an hour, which isn't bad, especially because I did everything at the last minute. All right, and as you can see, the gems are not on like the very edge. The inside trim is like inside, so the gems are hanging over. Do it like that. I tried it the other way, and I don't know, it just didn't sit right in my spirit. And I don't know why, but for some reason, I definitely thought my camera was panned over more to the left. So I'm so sorry, but okay. But now I have that bottom part done, so I'm going to do the top. And the top, honestly, was the hardest part. Just because I didn't have anything to like hold the gems in place. And it was like a dip in the middle. But we got her done. And yeah. It came out really cute. A lot of people gave me compliments at the concert. This was honestly like easy for me, and I'm saying that only because I'm not a DIY person. I literally suck at being creative. But this came out really cute and it was kind of fun. Plus it was not that expensive either, which is a good thing. But yeah, I hope y'all like this, and be safe and kind. Bye.